Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to share YouTube video on Facebook and Facebook page. So if you're on your YouTube and if you want to share your YouTube channel video on Facebook, just follow these simple steps. First of all, let's share this YouTube video on Facebook page. To share any YouTube video to Facebook page, make sure you have switched to the Facebook page. Now go to the video page and here click on share. Click on Facebook. And here you will see the video has been successfully embedded. Now if you want, you can add a caption to your video. And just click on share. And here we can see I've successfully shared my YouTube video on my Facebook page. And now I will show you how to share YouTube video on Facebook profile. Go to the YouTube video page again and click on share and make sure you have switched to your Facebook profile. And just click on Facebook. And the same way here we can see the video has been embedded. Now you can write a caption for the video and click on share and your YouTube video will be shared on your Facebook. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.